Hello. In this video, we're going to go over an example of using synthetic division. These are pretty straightforward examples, and I'm happy doing more. Just please let me know and send me an email of the specific example and problem you want me to do. Now, for synthetic division, the first thing we need to do is set the denominator equal to 0. We need to solve, and we see x is equal to 1. Next, we're going to build this little contraption right here. And on this contraption, we're going to put what x is equal to as our root on the left, and we're going to put our numerator and just the coefficients on the right. Now, if you see, we're going to need a placeholder because, let's write this in a different color though, so it sticks out, because 2x cubed plus x means we skipped an x squared. We need a 0x squared there. So when I write my coefficients, I'm going to write 2, 0, 1, and -5. The 2 for the x cubed, the 0 for the x squared, the 1 for the x, the -5 for the last term. That is pretty much the only difficult part of synthetic division. Everything else is very straightforward. We're going to drop this first term, and then we're going to multiply this to that. So we're going to multiply our 1, our root, to the number we just dropped below our line. So we do 1 times 2, and that value will go right here. Oops, 2. And then we're going to, put a 2 here. And we're going to put this as 2 times 1, and that'll be our 2. Next, we're going to combine these. So 0, and this is a positive 2. So 0 plus 2 is going to give us 2. Now we're going to do 1 times 2 one more time. That's going to give us a value that we're going to put there. So it's going to be another plus 2. When we combine these terms, we notice that they're both positives. So 1 plus 2 is going to be a 3. Again, we do 1 times 3, and we're going to put that value up there, and we see it's 3. -5 plus 3, and we get -2. Now, the last part is just kind of writing this back into algebraic form. We only have coefficients at the moment. We started with an x cubed, but we divided. So this degree needs to be taken down by 1. Thus, if I started with a 2x cubed or an x cubed as my degree, I'm going to make this first term an x squared. And it's going to count down from there. The same, keep the sign, it's a positive 2 plus 2x plus 3. Now, as you see, it goes x squared to x to the 1 to no x term. This last term is our remainder, which we will do plus, put the remainder over what was being divided, or the initial denominator. And that is it. That is how you synthetically divide. If you have another example you would like me to cover, please let me know. Other than that, I hope everyone has a great day.